In this video, I will show you how to connect TP-Link Deco to Xfinity router in bridge mode. So if you do have an example, your Xfinity in bridge mode, that's good. If you don't and you want to enable it, all you need to do, just go and open a browser, go to the IP of your Xfinity, which is normally HTTP 2.2/10.0.0.1. You will have to log in and navigate to the gateway at a glance, and you will find this bridge mode. All you need to do, just make sure it's enabled. And the gateway should start rebooting after. So after the Xfinity finish rebooting, you would like to connect an Ethernet cable from the Xfinity gateway to the main Deco WAN port or WAN port. Once you do that, you would like to go and reset your router. So just go and reset your router and power cycle both devices. So if the internet doesn't appear immediately, just unplug the Xfinity gateway and unplug Deco and wait for 30 seconds on both devices and then power on the Xfinity first, then wait until the online, then power on Deco. Of course, after that, you would like to go and install the Deco application, install TP-Link Deco app, then sign in or create an account if needed. Of course, after that, you'll have to set up your Deco network inside the application. You'll need just to follow the instructions. Once you sign up, it will be detected. Make sure just to be in close to the device once you install the application to be detected. So inside the app, you will find set up a new deco, select your deco model, follow this setup wizard, and then you will have to go and create your Wi-Fi name and password. Then you can go and connect to it with the device or with your phone that has the application and any other device. Of course, if you want to add any additional units, you can click on the plus button at the top right of your app and click on add the deco units. If you have more deco units, you can place them around your house and add them throughout the app. This will create your mesh network, specifically if you have a large home with many dead areas or dead signal areas. And of course, inside the app itself, you can also verify the internet access. You can check the internet works, the Deco app shows online status, and the device connected successfully or not. And you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.